Okay, FM 101.7.
Amajeli Equiapim Polo for 90 days.
Good news.
Lutrots, I mean, how do you start your submission?
No, good news.
Obi Mamia Kwako Dim 90 days. A prison is not a place you wish for anybody. Then you say good news.
No, good news. Said the request of many Ghanaians from the beginning has finally been granted. And I'm winning. Yet me can't some Adebachino, na individual biaka say, Adena police 40 or Adena group say. Now yet when they grant your wish, go by it and jump. It's not the excitement say Kwapin Polo ako jail. But Kwapin Polo jail awakono. And Sisano. It won't change the Kwapin. And Sisano in the first place.
But a bit detain.
Who you see the word deter? Deter no from being a mother to the child, and not deter no from what?
Deter from posting such pictures. Mrano see enjoy the dignity of the child.
No.
Until bad says Equiapim Polo and Bast or post such pictures.
No, it will not deter Equiapim Polo from posting her nude. The only deterioration or determining factor of who pictures being said Equiapim Polo's nude with a child will not happen. Because the judgment was for the child being exposed to the nudity of the mother. Keep that in mind. Judgment in yes Equiapim Polo, the other case no call yen one fan cause Equiapim Polo ye naked. But or ye naked, ni banner nim no the public. So yeah, per se yes I dissuade the woman. You're very careful. People can still go nude. People can still be semi-nude. People can still come and bring their bikini out there. And a different obscene material from 1960 act ne wo hona ye no de ye dia ma Equiapim Polo ne akwala na ye involved. The suit is because of akwala na buy no. But the empty make the kind of fast. Me for video so me fast that can see my judge no. I want to say a very big thank you to the judge.
Thank you.
Because she really, or the panel of judges really, in my view, tempered justice with mercy in the case of this young man.
Think it could have been worse?
Yes.
How?
If you study the chronological order of the judgment, honestly speaking, she had more right to do more things than what she has done now. And Kamia Kwete say the plead and the request of the public also a bar into some particular consideration because the judgment is passed between the nation and the law no or share public views or share a national law and or share any personal purview and some a final judgment but it mean fast that case my judge no said you why you cry any so and can Eliphas say a passing judgment man here catch you say serve concurrently sabro for me say make no chimu concurrent asense
men have from
sabe no caption no brofo
Tracy instead say on beba no 90 days so we no asa kono asa onye ni nyina mbom ofam bom
ya de ni nyina bom say ohima wo ko prison yi tena ho 90 days na 90 days no no uye no for three judgment ayama no and I kai say judgment so ye 110 enti a kire so agba people ade ne ye kind ye anima e be studies.
Okay, yeah,
but massa me we prison dey bia me pia me who skin scent sisa me say Alifa so call order na
well man kwa cover story wo order
miss me anytime I be medical team say me ko bia no ma dwen tu ade ba ko e owure mu wie a my skin scent so it's not a place that I want anybody to go
until 2 days crampoa
hey 2 hours simple is serious 2 hours is serious.
Okay, FM 101.7.